Ini para sama. Ini kayak sini kayaknya bisa kan?
Variety of food. And it was cheaper. The restaurant was cheaper compared to the quality they offer, right? And you can say, yeah, the waiters were very polite and very fast at taking orders. The food was well cooked. It was delicious. Moreover, the atmosphere of the restaurant was good. The restaurant atmosphere was good. बारीको सेको अहिले बन्यो भयो 7 बटनमा के हो त्यहाँ म जान्थेँ तर त्यहाँको खाना मन पर्थ्यो मलाई तर त्यहाँको एटमोस्फियर खराब भएकोले म पछि जानु पर्यो एक गर्मी न गर्मी बाटोको छेउमा हैन हल्ला भइरहेछ गर्मी पनि सो आई क्विक वेट देयर जाडोमा अलिअलि जान्छु कहिले जान्थेँ गर्मीमा त यु डु नट लाइक द एटमोस्फियर अनि एटमोस्फियर पनि धेरै इम्पोर्टेन्ट कुरा जस्तो कहीँ कहीँ झोपडी टाइपको रेस्टुरेन्ट बनाएको हुन्छ त्यही एटमोस्फियर कति राम्रो हुन्छ शान्त हुन्छ अनि प्रायः रेस्टुरेन्टमा एकदम स्मोकी गर्मी वातावरण पनि यु डोन्ट लाइक खाना राम्रै भए पनि यु डोन्ट लाइक धेरै थोरै रेस्टुरेन्टको मात्रै एटमोस्फियर राम्रो जस्तो त्यहाँ पाटन त्यहाँ ढोकेमा क्याफे भन्ने अलिकति महँगो छ त्यसको एटमोस्फियर राम्रो कुनै पनि क्याफे मात्रै राम्रो हुन्छ and then you can talk about the reduction, the concession that you got, the discount that you got in overall bill. You can talk about that as well. Right? Because restaurants do not usually offer that kind of concessions, that kind of discount that they usually offer. So if they offer, let's say, a kind of discount, then you like it. So you can talk about this. I found that TV documentary around the program. Why? Maybe you can say maybe the camera work was not good. The voiceover, the narration was not good. So पछाडि ब्याकग्राउन्डमा आवाज आउँछ त्यसलाई के भनिन्छ भोइस ओभर त्यसलाई भन्छ भोइस ओभर So the voiceover was not good. Maybe the music was not suited to the theme of the documentary. The music was not suited to the theme of the documentary. नेपालको एकदम ग्राउन्ड एरिया जस्तै ग्राउन्ड एरियाको एउटा डकुमेन्ट्री छ भने त्यहाँ चाहिँ पप म्युजिक गाउनु सुहाउँछ त सुहाउँदैन त्यो बाँसुरीको धुन पर्छ सारङ्गीको धुन पर्यो त्यहाँ है त अनि त्यसमा त्यो टिमसित म्याच गर्न गयो नि त त्यहाँ You can talk about background music, or what kind of music is good. You can talk about. I was extremely disappointed by this. Why?